I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on the line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Angga Febri. I'm from class 22A. Understanding total physical response atau dikenal dengan TPR. Total physical response method is a language teaching concept developed by Prof. James G. Esser, a psychologist from St. John's State College, California, USA pada pertengahan 60-an. Total physical response method is a language teaching method built on conversation, coordination, and action. This method is carried out teach language through activity, physical or motoric activity, Austutik and Aulina 2017. Or in other words, there is mutual coordination between speech, action, and physical. Aulia Rahman 2014. James Esser notes that humans, when learning a language for the first time, seem to be listening more rather than talking, and that activity, listening, is accompanied by a response physical, raising, feeling, moving, see, and so on. This to pay attention to learning right brain. Thus, TPR class is the class where the student hear and act is structured, very direction, concentration in work action. Amerudun Al-Siddiqui 2014.
Okay, I'm Fani and I will continue to explain the language method teaching. The second is the silent way. The silent way is the one of language teaching method. An important part of this ability is being able to use the language for self-expression. Students should be able to express their thoughts, feelings, and needs in the target language. Feelings and needs in the target language. In order to help them achieve this, teachers emphasize self-reliance. Students are encouraged to actively explore the language and to develop their own inner criteria as to what is linguistically acceptable. The silent way method consists of the 3 main components: the one of the teacher, learner, and materials. The teacher facilitates learning through guiding and observing the learners, and the learner actively engages with the materials and discovers the language rules. Key techniques. The silent way method employs several key techniques. The 1. Fidelity of sound. 2nd. Color coding. 3rd. Learner charts. And the last, peer interaction. All of these techniques enhance the learning process and promote service engagement. The silent way have the special teaching materials. The first is questionnaire words from Maria Montessori. Words can be used to provide visible action or situation for any language structure, to introduce it, or to enable students to practice using it. Words are used to teach colors, numbers, and statements with preposition and conditionals. And then words can be used abstractly as well. The teacher can use words to represent each word in a sentence or to elicit in the sentence from the student. The second is FIDEL, or spelling charts. The FIDEL is a set of charts presenting all the possible spellings of each sound of the language, and it was originally created for teaching native speaker to read with words in color. The last is the sound or color rectangular chart. So the sound way course normally start with the teacher placing on the wall or chart showing all the sound of the language. Color rectangle represent each sound, and the sounds are organized in a way that show how the sounds relate to each other, conveniently grouping together sounds made with similar action of the lips, mouth, vocal cords, and etc. And then the teacher will normally display this chart on the wall in this classroom for every lesson 12 in the course. Key principle of the Southern Way is learning is facilitated through self-discovery. Pronunciation and speech are emphasized. Words are seen as valuable learning opportunities, and then students learn at their own pace. So, application the silent way in the classroom, there are teachers act as facilitators, guiding rather than instructing. Second is students work in pairs or small group for.
Hello, I'm going to share you about suggestion-to-pedia. Suggestion-to-pedia is a teaching method based on the idea how the human brain works and how we learn most effectively. It includes a rich sensory learning, a positive expectation of success, and the use of varied range of methods like dramatic text, music, active participation in songs and games. Suggestion-to-pedia was originally developed in the 1970s by the Bulgarian psychotherapist Georgy Lozanov. It is used mostly to learn foreign language. Suggestion-to-pedia is an innovative method that promises great effective language learning results. Lozanov claimed that by using this method, one can teach language approximately 3 to 5 times as quickly as conventional methods. The name of suggestion-to-pedia is from the word suggestion and pedagogy. It is a set of learning recommendation derived from with system study of the non-traditional and or non-conscious influence that human beings are constantly responding to.